this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88 of Building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. The little finger continuing as we're going to be doing for a few more issues. But first, we're going to flip through the magazine, of course, as well. Gamora and Thanos. When you impress me, you remind me you're just a child. Oh, a little Gamora there. Yellow eyes? Why she got yellow eyes? How about that? Go. All about Thanos. It's going to be all about Thanos, isn't it? Break your leg again, I'm not making you a new one. Oh, well. Yeah. Here we go. All about that. Little finger part 4. Yes, we're going to be building on what we got before. Other part is getting in there, and then the surround going around. We could have done that last time, couldn't we? But now we've got to put the washer in, the other plate on, and then another washer in, and start the other side. We're getting that together. Building up, it's getting there. Even more assembled. I'm liking it. Warbringer. Chitauri leader. Good stuff, yeah. Wolverine there as well. I recognised him. And Mark Miller. Sounds like a familiar name. I don't know why, but don't know. There we go. Quite like the realistic art style in there. So let's get this out of the way and let's get this finger a little bit more completed. So new parts. We've got 2 more washers. I'll move all this to one side for now. Some screws because we're going to be putting some bits together this time. But from last time, we've got this to put together. We've got the little frame piece that pops in there. Like that. Yeah, that goes in there quite nicely. And then this needs to go in on there as well. We've got the shaped piece that goes into the shaped piece. Like that. On there. Good. Then we need a washer. Goes over that bit. And that goes over there. Does that go over there just as it is? That's this bit. No other washer on that yet. So that goes over there. Into that side. And we need a screw for that bit. Didn't even get a screwdriver out. I need my big screwdriver for this, don't I? Because it's quite a... Where's my big screwdriver? Screwdrivers, that's probably the best one for this. It needs to be quite a meaty screwing to be going on. That goes in there through the washer that we've just put in. Holds that all together. Tightened in there. Tighter than that. That's popped in that side good, yeah. It's not liking it. Why is that not liking it? It's not lining up well, but it's pretty much got to. Let's try that again. Need a bigger screwdriver. But this gauntlet needs some very meaty screws going in. So I've got a bigger screwdriver, which I will use for that, which gives me a bit more grip. Even bigger. Let's try that then, shall we? Grip the handle of that a lot better. There we go. So that's that together in there, like so. Next up, we need the other washer. One washer goes over there. That goes through there. right side. Like that. Then that another screw. That bit goes to hold it all together over there again. Flat side goes over there, one's flat side. There like that. Not magnetic in the slightest, so I'll get it started with this one. Go, then I can move to the meaty screwdriver for this one. So that bit will hold that together. Like that. Then that will be going onto there eventually. We'll do that next time anyway, so I'll pop that in place on there anyway. Like that. Get in there, get in there. So I'll keep those to one side because I'll be using those in a minute. I'll probably use those next time as well. There we go. The little finger is like half done, sort of ish. So I shall see you for more very, very soon when we're going to do the next little bit. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.